Good evening, everyone. You're watching 9 p.m. Bulletin News. Here are the top legal developments of the day. Supreme Court slams CAQM for lax approach, seeks report on causes and long-term solutions. The Supreme Court grants bail to Amtek Group promoter Arvind Dham in money laundering case. The Supreme Court has set aside the removal of a Madhya Pradesh judicial officer, holding that disciplinary action cannot be sustained solely on the basis of judicial order granting bail, absent any material indicating corruption, malafide or extraneous considerations. The Supreme Court has ruled that the right to object to the appointment of an ineligible arbitrator under Section 12(5) of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act cannot be taken away without an express written waiver. Granting relief to the Bhadra International, the court held that mere implication is insufficient and quashed the arbitral award. In a long-pending property dispute, the Supreme Court partly allowed an appeal, holding that granting specific performance after more than 17 years would be inequitable. The court instead directed the sellers to pay ₹3 crore as lump sum compensation to do complete justice between the parties. In a recent judgment, Supreme Court has held that an agreement to refer disputes to arbitration is not rendered void by Section 28 of the Contract Act, which bars agreements restraining legal proceedings, noting the statutory exceptions. The Kerala High Court has held that the receipt of mata and iddat maintenance under the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act does not bar a claim under Section 125 CRPC. The family court must assess whether the amount paid is adequate for women's sustenance. The Jharkhand High Court struck down provisions of the Electricity Duty Amendment Act and Rules 2021, holding that the state cannot alter the basis of levy without amending the charging provisions of the Parent Statute. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has directed payment of advance increments as arrears of salary and pension to court employees who underwent computer training between 2006 and 2014. The Delhi High Court has stayed an interim injunction in a patent infringement suit involving irrigation system valves, observing errors of principle in patent claim construction. The Delhi High Court has issued notice in RJ's copyright suit against Ritesh Deshmukh's Sara Masti 4. The Bombay High Court has set aside an order awarding 1 month civil imprisonment under Order 39 Rule 2A CPC, holding that there was no willful disobedience of the court's order. The Delhi High Courts cannot act as appellate authorities over technical aeronautical determination of Airports Authority of India, emphasizing judicial restraint in specialized safety critical domains. The Karnataka High Court quashed CGHS emails rejecting reimbursement claims, directed full reimbursement with interest, and asked authorities to examine a cashless CGHS mechanism. The Delhi High Court ruled that a mere plea of fraud, when used as a defense against SARFAESI proceedings, does not lift the bar under Section 34 of the SARFAESI Act, which applies even to actions yet to be taken. A writ petition has been filed by the advocate Yogesh Soni before the Madhya Pradesh High Court, challenging the recent list of government's advocate appointments, alleging that the selection process is arbitrary, opaque, and vitiated by favoritism. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with the Bar Bulletin for the latest legal updates.